It's about 30 years now that Creag Meagaidh's been up and running, and it's just unbelievable. We're bringing the native woodland back, the montane, the Arctic species back. It's covered in blanket bog, which is a carbon sink, and it's a fantastic legacy. And to see it evolving over such a long period as I have, over 60 years, is just unbelievable. It's just fantastic. You've got to take the deer numbers down to between 3 to 5 per square kilometre. That's the secret. And you want to produce the right habitat for the red deer, so you want quality over quantity. A lot of paths, a lot of maintenance, car park, leaflets, litters to be picked. There's an awful lot there which we have to do, an awful lot of hard work maintaining the infrastructure, but it really does pay off.
So I'm David. I work full-time at Creag Meagaidh in a variety of conservation roles, primarily focusing on deer management. If there's too many deer on any piece of ground, it's detrimental to the ground and the deer themselves. As a stalker, my main focus is deer welfare. So if the deer are in too high density, it'll affect their condition, the amount of feed they can get, disease will spread. So keeping the numbers down is beneficial to the deer and also to the ground. If there's less deer in the ground, you'll have more regeneration of trees, less grazing pressure, which will have benefits far and beyond just here. Not being in an office, I would say that's a big attraction to it. It's getting out there. I like deer. I don't enjoy killing deer. I think that's a misconception everyone's got. I take great satisfaction in executing a humane shot and knowing the deer hasn't suffered. And I take pride in my work to make sure everything's neat and tidy. And a good day in the hill for me would be to go up, see deer, stay dry, and come back with deer in the back of the vehicle. I just like being out on the ground. It's really interesting, yeah.
Although we have a few full-time staff, we do need local volunteers and wider volunteers to come and work here, and we have no problem getting them. We all do the same thing. We all start at 7:30 in the morning. We have a cup of tea and they listen to the kind of jobs that we're going to be doing for the day. We allocate them and they go out and do their tasks. You never catch up on everything that's needing completed at Creag Meagaidh. There's always a lot of work, always a big vision for the future.
My name is Joe. I have just finished university and I'm volunteering here for a bit before I enter the world of work. I absolutely recommend it. I think anyone that's in good physical fitness will find something to do here and something to feel like they are making a positive difference. There's all kinds of daily jobs that's partly maintaining the visitor facilities, it's partly keeping the paths tidy and in good condition, and it's also, of course, conservation work, which for me has involved planting older trees, getting involved with the deer management, path maintenance, bracken bashing. It's physical work, and I enjoy that. That's one of the reasons why I volunteered, is that I wanted to get out of the office, out of the town, and doing something physical. And it's good, it leaves you feeling the right kind of tired at the end of the day. You certainly sleep well when you're at Creag Meagaidh.
A lot of education goes on here, so we take a lot of rural skills from Kingsley High School. A lot of universities come and visit here. We've got a lot of interesting projects going on, like Project Artemis, where we take the Royal Marine Commandos here that are maybe leaving and they're coming to learn skills, which means they can get jobs in this type of work. You're pretty shattered by the time you go home at night, but you love it. You're coming to somewhere where you enjoy it, where you believe in it all. And you're not going to be very good at this job if you don't like the outdoors and if you don't like getting wet and soaked and bitten by midges. You've got to enjoy it. It's part of the Highlands. And you know perfectly well by the satisfaction you see with the children and the families coming here and the feedback that you get, it's really rewarding.